Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Nationwide Haul Equipment Review. Today we're going to be looking at a unit that is part of Mack Trailer's transfer line. Mack make these in two sizes. They make them 53-footer, which is the one that we're going to review today, and they also make it in a 48-footer. 48-footer being normally the most common one that we have here in Florida. This trailer is basically made for a specific application that you find at the landfills, which are called tippers. This unit basically is backed up into that platform. The platform basically lifts up and the payload comes out from the rear of the trailer. So that's why it's called the tipper. What we're looking at right here right now is a model called the Sheet and Post. All right, this trailer is 53 feet. It's got 20 uprights plus an additional upright, which we put on it just to make it a little bit sturdier. Most tippers, because of the application, you're gonna find that they come with a catwalk and they come with a ladder. What guys tend to do is once things are offloaded, if there's any issues, they'll climb up there and they'll review it. The catwalk is also necessary for if you have any issues with your tarp, especially if you do a lot of manual. They could get stuck up there after a while, so the catwalk is basically for them to go up there and kind of work on that manual tarp. In this case, you're looking at an Aero electric side to side, which is what this particular customer chose for this trailer. But I would say probably 90% of this application is with manual tarps. Most of these trailers will come with the Jost landing gear. It's an AX150. It's a 55,000 pound capacity landing gear. But the interesting thing you can find here is that because of this trailer and the way it's configured, you have the VIN plate right here. You also have the QR code for Mack, which will give you any information you need on this trailer. And of course, with the last 5 of the VIN number, you can basically request a parts list from Mack and they will go ahead and give that to you. We have a Mack fabricated single leaf suspension for this type of application, axle spacing at 49 inches, and it is considered a tandem axle trailer. As we move to the rear of the trailer, you will see that this is a smooth side tailgate that is put on there. You have steps in the rear of it as well. In the event that you have any issues with the tarp, you can work on it as well, and also look inside in the event that there's some issue with the product. This is basically top hinge only, because again of the tipper function is to basically be put on a platform and tipped out. So the door would automatically open up, payload will come out, and then once you tip it back down, the door will close itself. You have your typical butterfly locks on this tailgate, which is standard. You also have your tarp hooks on the back, which is also very standard, again, because we normally go with manual tarps on this type of application. So thank you again for joining us on this nationwide equipment review. Again, we were looking at the tipper today. If you want more information on this equipment, please feel free to reach out to us at sales@nationwidehaul.com. Again, that's sales@nationwidehaul.com. You can also visit our webpage. We have a lot of information about this equipment there as well. You can also go into macktrailer.com if you want to see that. And you'll find a lot of information regarding tippers and other transfer trailers as well. Thank you again for joining us, and we'll see you again soon.